Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. If it's your first time here, my name is Chinwe. Today I share how to cook and enjoy cocoyam with local sauce, ukpaka and ogiri. Anyị na-akpọ ya ịgba ncha or ịgba upo. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To cook the cocoyam, I will start by rinsing it because I'm going to cook it with the skin. After washing, I will add water to cover it and start cooking. At this time, the cocoyam is ready. I will take it to my sink, drain it and set it aside. To make the local sauce, I will be using oil bean, that is ukpaka. I will wrap it up with my foil and place it in my preheated pot and allow it to heat up. I will be using ugo for the ncha. You can use okamu. Next, I will add water and allow it to settle. Next, I will sieve the ugo and set it aside. At this time, I will combine everything together. I've got my palm oil. Next, I will gradually add the ugo. Once that is done, next, I will go in with my pepper and ogiri. Mix to combine. Next, I will go in with my oil bean. That is ukpaka adarada. If you understand what I'm saying here, write in the comment section. I understand. Look at that ukpaka. This is exactly how we do it. Mix thoroughly and taste for salt. This is correct upo, exactly how we do it. Igbos to be precise. You can use this sauce for roasted yam, roasted plantain, una, ede, and that is it. It looks amazing and the taste is heavenly. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share our videos with your friends and families. Thank you, and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.